Computer was locked. Forgot password. How to unlock computer without password. You can use PassFab 4 Win key to unlock your laptop without password. Go to our official website and download PassFab 4 Win key. Now, run PassFab 4 Win key. Insert a USB. Select it. Click Next to burn the USB. Now, read the guide on the screen carefully. Plug in the USB to your locked computer. Restart the computer. Press S to enter boot options. Select boot from the USB. You will see the interface of PassFab 4 Win key. Choose your operating system. Click Next. Select the locked account. And check Remove Account Password. Click Next. Once the password has been removed successfully, reboot the computer. And you can unlock computer directly.